22 of the 23 players to represent Jamaica at the upcoming FIFA Women's World Cup in France has been announced by the Jamaica Football Federation. The squad is headed by prolific striker Khadija Shaw. The 23rd and final squad member will be announced on Friday. Trishana McGowan has the details.
16 ladies who represented Jamaica at the CONCACAF Women's Championship in October last year have been included in the Reggae Girls squad heading to France. Skipper Konya Plummer also leads a list of 7 Jamaican-born players in the squad. Plummer joins Ashley Shim, Denisha Blackwood, Jamaica's top goal scorer in the qualifiers with 19 goals, Khadija Shaw, Sashana Campbell, Trudy Carter, and Jody Brown. Brown is one of 3 teenagers in the squad alongside Shade Adamalakun and Sydney Schneider. The rest of the squad reads Alison Swaby, Shinyalu Asher, Chanel Hudson Marks, Dominic Bond Flaza, Lauren Silva, Marlia Sweatman, Nicole McClure, Toriana Patterson, Yasmin Jemison, Chantal Swaby, Kayla McCoy, Shania Matthews, Tiffany Cameron. There is no place in the squad for 23-year-old goalkeeper Kristen Chambers, as Schneider, McClure, and Jemison are the 3 on the plane to France. Veteran defender Christina Chang, who has been a regular in the national program since 2008, is also not included. There is no place for Giselle Washington, who is out due to injury. The 23rd member of the squad will be announced on Friday. Head coach of the Reggae Girls, Hugh Menzies, says he's still waiting FIFA clearance over one player to obtain a Jamaican passport. The last practice game for the Reggae Girls prior to the World Cup will be against Scotland at Hampden Park on May 28. The Reggae Girls are currently on a 6-game unbeaten streak. Trishana McGowan, TVJ Sports.